Drop that knife. Something don't happen, no. Mazi IASB has told his wife, IAS1, to carry her load and leave. Hey, whoa! After 30 years...
Who snatched her husband?
One Gen Z babe, IFRS 18. Let's find old Mama Tinubu. Mama! Mama!
I know.
Mama, how? She didn't even define operating profit well. Oh, comparing one company to another became like comparing amala to pounded yam.
After 30 years, you won't replace me with this new baby girl? Nobody remembers my sacrifice. When I entered this marriage, financial reporting was pure scatter. I was the pepper, the salt, the Maggi, even the crayfish. Na me.
IAS1, please understand. You did well for your time, but the world has changed. Transition starts January 1st, 2027.
I have come to modernize accounting.
Wow.
I bring 5 correct drawers: operating, financing, tax, and discontinued. Every transaction must be organized. Investors go happy, auditors go rest.
So, after 30 years of service,
IAS1 walked into the shadows, while IFRSing begins her soft life. But one thing remains certain: in IASB, no wife lasts forever.
Subscribe to Amebo Accountant right now. Grow your finance career.